Look at this TINECO Floor 1S3. 1 second it's fully charged, the next, it's gasping for air. It's like your vacuum just went through a midlife crisis in 3 seconds flat. So, what's the deal? Is your vacuum haunted? Not quite. This is almost always caused by a faulty battery pack. Over time, the internal cells lose their ability to hold a real load. The display sees a surface charge and thinks it's full, but as soon as the motor demands power, the voltage collapses. Ignoring this won't just leave your floors sticky. A failing lithium-ion battery can eventually swell or even damage the mainboard. But don't worry. RoboCare has the solution to bring your TINECO back to life. At RoboCare, we don't just fix vacuums, we master them. Our expert technicians have years of specialized experience with the TINECO Floor 1 series, understanding every circuit and sensor inside these sophisticated machines. Our team uses precision diagnostic equipment to perform deep cycle load tests on your battery cells. We don't just swap parts and hope for the best. We pinpoint whether the fault lies in the lithium cells or the charging control board. Once identified, we replace the faulty components with genuine parts to ensure your TINECO stays powered through the toughest cleaning sessions. And now, let's get to the results. Boom! After our expert battery cell replacement, this TINECO Floor 1S3 is back to its prime. No more fake percentages, just pure, long-lasting cleaning power that stays at 100% until you actually use it. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
Honestly, if you're sitting there frustrated because your vacuum or your TINECO is acting up, don't throw it away. And don't settle for a half-working machine. Give your vacuum a second life with RoboCare. They're professional, they're fast, and they actually care about getting you back to your routine. I'm so glad I did.
Don't let a dead battery ruin your day. Contact RoboCare today to schedule your repair.